Or banana peels, the skincare secret everyone's throwing away? Wait, before you toss that banana peel in the trash, what if I told you it could be the key to erasing wrinkles, zapping acne, and getting that radiant glow you've been chasing? Yep, those slimy scraps might just be the free skincare hack you've been sleeping on. Stay with me to find out if this viral trick is legit or just another internet fad you'll regret trying. Alright, let's get into it. You're probably thinking, banana peels? Those slimy things I toss after my morning smoothie? But hold up, these scraps are making waves in the skincare world, and it's not just some quirky TikTok trend. Packed with vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants, banana peels sound like they belong in a high-end serum, not the compost bin. So why are people rubbing fruit waste on their faces? Well, there's a bit of science, a lot of hype, and some serious drama about whether this hack actually delivers. Let's unpack the buzz and figure out if banana peels are worth the hype or if we're all just slipping on bad advice. Let's start with the big one, acne. If you've ever stared in the mirror, cussing a stubborn pimple, you know the struggle. Banana peels might just be your new secret weapon. They've got antimicrobial properties that could fight bacteria causing acne, like the kind that leads to breakouts. Posts on X are buzzing with people claiming that rubbing the soft inner side of a peel on their breakouts calms redness overnight. One user even said, "I woke up and my zit was half the size." Sounds like a dream, right? But dermatologists aren't fully on board. Experts like Dr. Hadley King point out there's no clinical proof that the nutrients in a raw pill penetrate deep enough to fight acne effectively. So are these glowing reviews legit, or are we just rubbing fruit on our faces for Instagram? Next, we'll talk about the holy grail of skincare, anti-aging. Banana peels are loaded with antioxidants. Think vitamin C and flavonoids that fight free radicals. These pesky molecules that make your skin look like it's aging faster than your group chat's drama. Some beauty bloggers swear the silica in pills can boost collagen production, smoothing out fine lines and giving you the youthful bounce. Imagine ditching your $100 cream for a fruit scrap, but dermatologists argue that silica's collagen boosting powers are overhyped when it comes to topical use. A 2018 study on banana peel extracts showed antioxidant potential, but rubbing a peel on your face? That's a different story. Still, the potassium in pills can hydrate skin, leaving it soft and plump, which might make those fine lines look less obvious. So, is this a budget Botox or just a feel-good placebo? Hold up, we're only halfway through and you won't believe what's next. Can banana peels really fade dark spots or soothe irritated skin? And what's the one mistake you must avoid to keep your face from turning into a red, itchy disaster? Keep watching to get the full scoop and a game-changing tip to make this hack work for you. Then there's the glow-up factor. Dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or just a tired, dull complexion. Banana peels might have your back. Vitamin C is a rock star at brightening skin, and antidotal posts on X peels can fade acne scars and even out tone over time. One user shared, "After a month of using banana peels, my dark spots are noticeably lighter, but sensitive skin types beware. If you don't wash those peels thoroughly, pesticide residue could irritate your skin, turning your glow into a red, itchy mess. And if you've got eczema or allergies, banana peels may not be your friend." The question is, can a fruit peel really outshine your trusty vitamin C serum? Or is it too risky for some? Don't sleep on exfoliation either. The slightly gritty texture of banana peel acts like a natural scrub, sloughing off dead skin cells to remove a smoother, fresher you. Mix it with honey or yogurt and you've got a DIY mask that's eco-friendly and costs pennies. Beauty influencers are all about this hack, with some claiming it is as good as their go-to chemical exfoliants. But overdo it and you could irritate your skin, especially if you're scrubbing too hard. Plus, there's the issue of consistency. How do you know you're getting the same dose of nutrients every time? It's not like peels come with a nutrition label, so can this natural exfoliant hold its own against your pricey scrubs? or is it too unpredictable? Finally, let's address the soothing factor. Got a bug bite, rash, or irritation? Banana peels might calm things down. Their anti-inflammatory compounds, like trigonelline, could ease itching or redness. People on X rave about using pills to soothe poison, ivy, or even psoriasis flare-ups. But if you're allergic to bananas or latex, this hack could backfire, causing more irritation than relief. And without proper studies, it's hard to know how reliable this is compared to, say, aloe vera. Are banana peels a hidden gem for skin emergencies or just a gamble? So here's the million-dollar question. Are banana peels the ultimate skincare hack, or are we all just falling for a viral myth? The controversy hits fever pitch when you realize the science is shaky. Studies on banana peel extracts show promise for anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, but rubbing a raw peel on your face, that's where things get murky. Dermatologists like Dr. Taylor Bullock warn it's low risk but overhyped. Your formulated serums are likely working harder, yet thousands of people on X and TikTok are shouting about brighter skin, fewer pimples, and a natural glow. The tension is real. Do you trust the experts who say, meh? Or everyday folks swearing by their banana peel routines? Let me know in the comments. All right, let's clear the air and burst the bubble of stress. Banana peels aren't going to replace your entire skincare shelf, but they're a fun, affordable way to experiment. They're safe for most people, sustainable, and might give you a hydration boost, a subtle glow, or even some acne relief. My personal take, I love the idea of repurposing something I'd toss away. It's like giving my skin an eco-friendly treat. But don't expect miracles. They're not curing cystic acne or erasing deep wrinkles. Use ripe organic peels to avoid pesticides. Always do a patch test and pair this hack with a solid routine. Sunscreen, moisturizer, maybe a retinoid for heavy lifting. Think of banana peels as a sidekick, not the superhero of your skincare story. And that's the truth about banana peels for skincare. This quirky hack could be your ticket to a brighter, smoother complexion without spending a dime, but only if you do it right. Ready to stop throwing away your skin's new best friend? Drop a comment below and tell us, are you trying this hack, or do you have another natural skincare secret we need to know about? Don't miss out on more game-changing tips. Smash the like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Let's keep glowing together. See you in the next one.